Greetings, ghouls and ghosts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things reviews and recommendations.
With Halloween creeping closer, it's time to get into the spirit of the season with some spine-chilling decorations. And today, I've got something special for you. The best Halloween ghosts outdoor available in the market. Introducing the Thaoduro Halloween decorations. A spine-tingling trio of 59-inch life-size hanging ghosts that will send shivers down your spine. These ghostly figures are not your average decorations. They're designed to take your Halloween decor to the next level.
What sets these ghosts apart?
Let's delve into the details. Each pack includes 3 eerie ghosts in different shapes: a pumpkin ghost, a clown ghost, and a skeleton ghost, ensuring a diverse and terrifying display for your Halloween festivities.
But wait, there's more.
These ghoulish apparitions come to life with glowing LED eyes, adding an extra layer of spookiness to your outdoor decor. Simply install 2 batteries, and watch as their eyes flicker with an otherworldly glow. Ease of use is another highlight of these decorations. Each ghost comes with a fixed rope on the head, allowing you to effortlessly hang them anywhere, be it your porch, trees, door, or window.
Plus, their lightweight design makes storage and reusability a breeze, ensuring they'll be haunting your home for years to come.
Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or transforming your home into a haunted house, these life-size hanging ghosts are sure to steal the show. With their customizable poses and eerie LED eyes, they'll create an atmosphere of terror that will leave your guests trembling with fear. And there you have it, folks, the Thaoduro Halloween decorations, the best Halloween ghosts outdoor on the market. Don't miss out on the chance to add these spine-chilling specters to your Halloween decor lineup. Trust me, they'll be the talk of the town. If anyone dares to talk, that is. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more spooky content.
Until next time, stay creepy, my friends.